What's up, bro? All good? Well, Aurelio is back for the second part of the previous video. Are you ready? We start with a GEMINI Titan II. We go! When we open the box of this model kit, we will find a very concise instruction list, but at the same time with all the necessary explanations to build the model kit. A sheet with the decals to reproduce the vector livery and 5 finely detailed resin pieces for model making. As mentioned before, the model kit is divided into 5 parts that will be assembled quickly and without difficulty. The pieces that compose it are the Gemini spacecraft with its truncated cone-shaped module, the second stage and the interstage, and the first stage with the pieces reproducing the engine area. The pieces don't require a lot of cleaning work as they are well made. This will allow us to proceed quickly to its assembly without major difficulties. Once the assembly of the various pieces has been completed, we proceed with the grounding necessary to assemble all the pieces together. After that, we can move on the painting our model kits. As all modelers well know, it is a good habit to apply a first layer of primer over the entire model kit to check that all the work done so far has been performed at its best. Once the primer has dried, you can proceed with the painting according to the scheme highlighted in the instructions. I normally started with white. Then I proceed with aluminum color and I finished with all the other outline colors. When these colors are also dry, you can proceed to apply the first coat of transparent color and then proceed by attaching the decals that will complete the model kit. The last phase of our work will be to spread a layer of transparent satin color on the whole model kit and a layer of glossy transparent coating and on the aluminum parts to make them lighter. Upon completion of all these stages of work, we can be proud to have a new subject in our collection. Personally, I think this is an excellent subject, well cared for in detail and well finished. The cost is more than good given the quality of the model kit. I recommended it to all those modelers who are eager to have a more than perfect space themed collection. So guys, also this time we have finished. See you soon next time. Bye! And don't forget, the AMK model kits are the best. If you have interested regarding this model kit, write me. I have an email. Bye!